Hello, I'm David Craig. I'm a cancer surgeon. I really could not keep up with all the projects that I was working on. The literature was too much. So I either needed to let some of these things go or I needed to develop a new system. RefBin changes how I prepare grants, how I prepare manuscripts. It makes things much easier. One of the most important features about RefBin that I really appreciate is that it allows me to integrate everything. Everything blends together. And when that happens, I can work much faster and much more efficiently. I know the boundaries on a topic, and I know where that ends. In the old days, I had baskets. All these things behind me on the wall were reading projects and everything in paper. This is all gone. RefBin has taken all that away, and now I manage things electronically and much faster. I'm very busy. We all are very busy, and I need to shave off and gain some more time, and RefBin helps me do that. RefBin allows an aggregation of information related to all this literature in a way that allows me to think differently. Let the computer do the boring stuff. I'll do the thinking part.